This video will look at how to send email in batches through the Margill Loan Manager main window. Sending out these emails to borrowers and co-borrowers can be done very easily at once in the software. First, let's go back to Margill. First, let's set up the email connection. We go to Tools, Settings, we go to Email Connection. You'll notice you can create connections for various users or a default email here. Usually your IT person will set this up. You can also set up there's a batch testing tool. So if you want to send out hundreds or thousands, you're going to have to test to see if you're allowed doing this. I would check with my email provider. It'll depend on who they are and also on the service level that they offer you. So this could be a useful tool to test out with maybe 10 emails, which will duplicate and duplicate and duplicate. So that's done. I've set that up. Next, you have to personalize your email. So I go to Reports. I go to Merge Email Template. So click on New and create a new one. I've actually created one already. There's my email. I'm actually going to do some New Year's wishes. So I'm going to edit this one. So Dear 110. 110 is actually the guy's first name. So Dear John, wishing you the very best for the new year, blah, blah, blah. You'll notice these are merge fields. So they're available on the left with the themes called various themes, and those will be in black. The ones in gray are not available for the email templates. So you can add whatever you want, the borrower first name, last name, email, whatever. So you would say save and exit. My template is now done. You could also, by the way, put in images, put in links, anything you want really can be added in there. Don't make it overly fancy because sometimes it just won't work out depending on what the person has on the other end for receiving emails. If you're doing email to SMS, keep it short, no special formatting and no images. So there you have your template, very straightforward. Back to the main window. So I would select the loans for which I want to send. I won't send too many because it'll take a minute. I select my loans. I right click with the mouse, send email. So I'll choose who the sender is. Admin is my sender. I can send it to the borrower, to the co-borrowers. I then pick up my template, so New Year's wishes. I can attach the results table. What does this look like? Oops, I have to click here. I would see what the report looks like. Of course, I wouldn't send this if I was sending New Year's wishes, but in other contexts, you could attach the results table or the payment schedule. So I won't attach it. Send emails. Yes. And there you go. They're sending out slowly. Takes a few seconds each. And in the end, you'll say a total of 6 emails was sent. This does not mean they were actually received. It means they were sent. So you'll have to go to your email program to see if they were actually received or not. There could be errors in there. So it's that easy, quite straightforward. Don't forget, you can also send out emails or alerts automatically to your borrowers to notify them ahead of time that a payment is due or that a payment bounced. There's another video that deals with this. And you can also send out invoices or statements with attachments as PDFs with the document merge tool. I think there's a video on this already, or there's one coming up very soon. Well, thanks for watching. That's it.